What's going on, guys? It's Just Danger. Welcome back to another video. And finally, today we have another SnackCrate. I have my parents here doing it with me. If you haven't seen my other SnackCrate videos, SnackCrate is a monthly subscription box so every month you get a box delivered to your doorstep. Inside there's a bunch of snacks and treats from a different part of the world. So we're just gonna open it up and see what's inside.
Okay, that's exciting. Oh, we forgot to guess.
Oh. Well,
I'm guessing India.
we don't even really know.
Just kidding, I'm looking at it. It's India.
Oh, India, nice. I like Indian food, so I'm excited for this.
Yes, let's turn it. Yes, that's a good plan. I like it.
India is one of my top, 5 places that I want to go in the world.
Nice.
Okay, first thing. Lay's India's Magic Masala. Masala is one of India's most renowned flavors. These chips are bursting with traces of cumin, garlic, and chili. Consider bringing a little mouthwash after indulging on these. Okay. Alright. 40% more chips. Sweet. What a deal. If I can get them open. I guess 40% more chips open means 40% more air, 40% more difficult to get open.
40% more glue. No.
I was just gonna pop it with some.
Man, that's serious out there.
40% more difficult to open.
In India, things are sealed tighter.
We use India's magic glue to close India's magic masala. We got it. We can do it. We can make it.
It's good. There you go. We've all three tried it now. It is the way it is. That's a sacrificial chip that we're going to leave on the plate?
No.
Oh, okay.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
I'm a fan.
I like them.
Yeah, those are delicious.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
After each snack, we give a thumbs up or a thumbs down, depending on if we like it or not. That's a thumbs up.
That's a definite thumbs up.
That's a very, alright. Cool. Magic's pineapple. Again, 40% extra.
I feel like there's going to be a lot of magic in this.
Okay, Magic's Pineapple crisp biscuits with a creamy, tangy pineapple filling. This cookie satisfies all cravings with this amazing balance of flavor and texture.
Okay, pause.
Those chips.
These chips have like a little sneak up.
They have the bite.
That sneaks up to the back of your tongue and it's like, hey.
They have a bite. Okay, so it looks like there's going to be pineapple-filled biscuits.
Wow. Okay, that's exciting.
That's what I'm getting from it. So little biscuits with pineapple cream inside.
Alright.
Can you still turn on that chip?
Sure. Alright, there we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh. It tastes like a...
The pineapple is a good flavor.
It tastes
It's
like
like shortbread.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Pineapple. I actually really like this.
I can get behind it. I like it. That's a thumbs up. Tastes
Thumbs up.
like a pina colada.
It kind of does.
Which
Not that
is,
he would know.
Well,
I've had pina colada flavor.
okay.
Okay.
It's delicious.
It's very good.
I'm a fan.
Fab Bourbon.
What is it? Fab Bourbon.
Fab Bourbon. Crunchy biscuits sandwiching a smooth layer of chocolatey cream. These babies have a perfect ratio of crispy to creamy.
Wow.
Perfect ratio of crispy to creamy. These babies. Okay.
Dude. Damn. Huh. So this seems like a recurring theme.
Yeah, biscuits with some cream in the center.
I mean, like the size and the shape of the cookies.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Salt on the outside? Sugar.
No, salt.
I like that.
I don't like it as much as the pineapple. This is the middle.
Yeah.
I'm in between. I don't
I'm
love
not a
it.
big fan.
I don't love it and I don't hate it. So that's a middle.
Yeah, I would not buy this to eat, but if somebody offered it to me, I would totally take it. Much bigger
Oh.
fan of pineapple.
Well, that masala is still kicking.
Touchy in the face.
Yep.
Got it. Yeah, not as big. Good, not bad. So far, India's top level box. It's got weird.
Okay. Kurkur chili chakka. These snacks live up to their name. Kurkur means crunchy in Hindi. The puffed rice flavored with spicy hot flavors will keep your fingers orange and taste buds alive. Okay?
It's like Indian Cheetos.
Yeah, it's gonna be spicy. They're gonna, yeah.
Okay, stop. So these, because of the top, gotta really do is this. You know, yeah, like that.
I would prefer you just do it for me, but okay. I can't. My fingers. So I don't know how. By the way, guys, if I'm saying any of these wrong, I'm not from India. I'm sorry. I'm a human being. I make mistakes. So let me know down in the comments below how to pronounce any of these if I'm saying them wrong.
Oh, this is a lot of different
Because
textures.
we don't know.
Cool. Interesting. These are definitely Cheetos,
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
for sure.
Spot on Indian Cheetos.
Or chisel.
Flaming hot Cheetos from India.
Or maybe Cheetos are American Kuro.
3, 2, 1. Huh. Wow.
Will you read the description again, please?
Yes. These snacks
Seems
look
like a couple of them.
These snacks live up to their name. Kurkur means crunchy in Hindi. The puffed rice flavored with spicy hot flavors will keep your fingers orange and taste buds alive.
They get that after a couple of them, you can really taste the chili. Those are delicious.
Yeah, those are good. I like it.
That's another middle for me. That's
Thumbs up for me.
okay.
I'm like 2/3.
2/3. Yeah, that's a middle. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. Okay. 18% actually. Man, India is generous. Parle G? Parle G biscuits. These simple yet pleasantly flavorful biscuits are a staple in India. Flavored with milk and wheat, they have a great nostalgic taste.
Milk and wheat. That does not sound exciting.
What's the nostalgia? That's what I want to know.
Milk and wheat, bro. Like graham crackers and milk.
How do I open this?
Look at it. Yeah, there you go.
Indian packages are very hard to open.
So I'm thinking scissors are appropriate at this point. Or that.
Next time, probably, yeah.
Okay, so that's over.
Fancy.
This one's packed very tightly, so
Okay.
there's not a lot of
Leeway
wiggle room.
for that.
Okay. So I'm seeing a very recurring theme here.
Yeah,
A lot of
her.
A lot of biscuits. 3, 2, 1.
Graham cracker.
Oh yeah. Tastes exactly like a graham cracker.
Yeah.
Not as good as a graham cracker,
It's just a little less sweet, but
Less
almost the
sweet.
same flavor as a graham cracker.
but you could definitely put this with milk, and it'd be a good treat.
Or even coffee.
Coffee, yeah. It's like a milk coffee. I can see it. It's good. Thumbs up. Yeah.
It's kind of a
Okay. Kata Nita. A crunchy, sweet, and sour snack. This bag contains a mixture of toasted components that will send your taste buds straight to the far east. Far feast is what I was gonna say. Okay. So, crunchy, sweet, and sour. Oh, like maybe sweet and sour chicken? No. It's sweet and sour.
Okay, these
show.
You have to like.
Let me show replay live.
What?
Whoa, what the?
Yeah, yeah.
Huh? Whoa,
Oh
okay.
my gosh.
So I guess I should have known from the bag. This is what it was
Yeah.
gonna be like, but it's just okay.
This is like dried stuff. This is a great thing to take on a hike.
3, 2, 1. Oh,
I'm getting a lot of sweet.
oh!
Dude, calm down. It's not that worth it.
The sour just hit me, and it was very conflicting with the sweet. That was not.
Not yours.
Okay.
I didn't get any of the sour, but the sweet was not.
Yeah, the sour hit me right at the end.
Mmm.
That was not my favorite. Okay.
Good. Interesting.
Kacha Mango Bite. These candies give you the best of both worlds, sweet with a natural twist. Experience the real and puckering tang of mango that is enhanced with a light sugary bite. Okay then.
Mango bite.
So it's gonna be
And
like
it's
a.
green.
So it's gonna be like
It's
a.
kind of chewy.
Really?
Oh, maybe not.
It looks to me like it's gonna be a mango hard candy. Yeah. It's hard.
Tastes exactly like a mango.
It does.
Like it tastes like a fresh mango. I can taste the peel.
Mm-hmm. That's the weird taste that I was getting.
That is like a fresh
It's good.
mango. That's crazy.
Dude, that's really good.
Nice.
If you like mangoes.
Yeah.
Thumbs
It's really
up.
good.
It's a thumbs up. That's really good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Calm down. Nothing. Carry on.
I'm not gonna finish it. We don't have 10 minutes. Let's do this. Rolla Cola. The name says it all. This package contains small, solid cola flavored morsels. It's honestly a huge mind trick if you ask us.
A mind trick or trick?
A mind trick. So it's like Rolla Cola, it's like it's supposed to be obvious. It's not a trick at all. It's being sarcastic. I can't open this. I'm having a tough time today, guys. This is not good. These
I
packages
can't do
are.
it either.
These, see, man, these packages are tough to open. So, my camera just failed for some reason. So,
The jam.
just in case we didn't get the footage, a recap of these. They're little cookies with strawberry jam, and we gave them a thumbs up.
I mean, sure.
I gave them a thumbs up.
Excellent. And really, isn't that what's important?
Yeah, sure. Bujia said,
Yeah.
crisp Croissant Sticks bursting with traditional flavors such as curry and red chili. The texture and delightful spice of these snacks strands will leave you addicted. Okay. We'll see if I'm addicted after these.
Can I tweak nail pieces?
Yes. Wow.
Yeah, don't overdo it, Jesse.
Very funny.
You're not even getting the.
What the? What?
I got the Papa stick.
That's. Oh,
That one you just had on the baby? What happened?
Yeah, see, it shows right on there. There must be a couple of them in there.
that's so dumb. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Not a good.
Wow. Not addicting at all.
No.
Huh.
Nope.
But
I feel like I just put solid chalk in my mouth and chewed on it.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh.
That's
not-
Papa stick.
That was even worse.
That's what you get.
No, I know what dust tastes like now. It tastes like
Yeah, exactly. It tastes like sawdust.
It tastes like dust.
Okay,
It's
stop,
exact-
stop, 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 stop.
Okay, alright. We have 2 more things left. Poppins, fruit flavored jelly candies that burst with tangy sweet flavor. They also have a unique texture that Indians refer to as pulpy.
To a what?
Pulpy. They have a texture.
I don't have any damn pulpies in here. I'm so upset.
They have
right now. If only I
it's
knew what we were comparing.
same packaging as the Roller Cola.
Yeah.
Yeah, texture that Indians refer to as pulpy.
Dude, that's
Personally, I've never been a big fan of pulp. I like my fruit juice de-pulped, so.
Oh, they have different colors.
I want a different color.
3, 2, 1. How dare you go before 1? That's good. That's a thumbs up.
It's an orange lifesaver.
Yeah, that was hard lifesavers.
Mine didn't have.
No.
The green one doesn't have much flavor.
It's lame.
No.
Not a fan.
Whatever. Yeah.
Lame.
I mean, it's a thumbs up. Whatever. I don't care what you guys say. Okay.
We don't care what you say.
The very last thing. Cadbury Perk.
Cadbury's everywhere.
It
Who are
is.
these? The Cadbury people and the mango people, those people are everywhere. They're everywhere. They're in everything.
Okay, Cadbury Perk. Layers of crispy wafers coated in thick, rich milk chocolate. Each bite has the perfect snap, accompanied by a blast of sweet chocolatey flavor. Alright?
Somehow I'm not believing that.
It's
Either.
already snapped.
Yeah, it's already
Snaps already happened.
It's 2 pieces.
Or it's an old box and
Hey.
already broke. I'm just. Dad here.
I feel like your elbow was giving you what the universe decided you should have. That's what happened. The universe was like, stop it.
Here, break that down.
Okay.
I do not need half of that. Nope. That does not need to happen.
That is not half. That is like nearly 1/3.
It's like a mellow wafer. No. What do you call
It's
it?
Kit Kat.
Oh, that's what I meant. That's what I was thinking. I just wasn't saying it out loud.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Yep. That is totally Cadbury's version of Kit Kat.
Definitely Kit Kat. No. Thumbs down.
It's not as good as the Kit Kat though.
No.
I know. I want a Kit Kat. I mean, yeah. No. Thumbs up. Okay.
Choose the up or down.
It's a thumbs down. Final vote. Thumbs down.
I'm kind of like.
No, Dad. Okay. Mom, Dad. Alright. Okay. Mom, what was your favorite?
I'm torn. I really love the first Lay's chips.
Yes.
I love the peppermint, or not peppermint, pineapple biscuit. And I love the mango hard candy. So,
What was your least favorite?
the dust.
Okay.
This one.
Yeah.
That was your least favorite?
Oh yeah.
That was.
And this was, the birdseed was the second least favorite.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to agree with both of those on least favorite. Dad, what was your favorite?
My favorite was definitely the Lay's.
Yeah.
Okay.
Those were really good.
And my second favorite was probably this one.
Those were pretty good too, yeah.
And
Okay.
then I did also like the mango hard candies. Yeah.
Okay, I would have to say my favorite was also between 2. The first Masala Lay's or the pineapple biscuits.
Huh? It's a toughie.
Those are my 2. So those. Yeah.
Yep.
So, alright guys, that was the India Snack Crate. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely had a fun time trying these interesting... I always have a fun time filming these videos.
Yeah.
Trying these snacks from different parts of the world. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my other videos. We'll hopefully do another one of these sometime soon. And, share this video with friends and family. I'll see you guys in the next time. See you guys in the next video. See ya.